Okay, so it's March 4th, 2021, and I'm here in Van Nuys, California, and you can see this. What am I looking at over here? Now, this is the old train trestle that's actually used for the log ride from Busch Gardens Bird Sanctuary. And where this location is now, you see it's a big yard for truck from a shipping company. That's where the log ride used to go, and this was Busch Gardens. So this is a Woodley, and that's Roscoe Boulevard, and this is the train tracks. And if you guys always wonder what that is, that's what it is, folks. And then Van Nuys Airport is right here, and the 94th Aero Squadron is behind me. But it's pretty cool. It's a nice day. It's like 75 degrees, and I was driving by to pick up a friend at the Van Nuys Flyaway. He's coming in from Reno Tahoe Airport, and we figured to come by here and check out this this overcrossing, which was great memories when I was